feel ever so manly. I've actually done some motorcycle maintenance again. I was going to say it's my first bit, but it isn't really, is it? Because I have topped up my oil and I've also charged my own battery. But today I have adjusted my chain tension. It was doing some really weird stuff this morning when I was going down the hill. It was almost, you could hear it slipping. So I looked at the chain was so loose, which it should never get to, and I'm never going to let it do it again. But yeah, I fixed it myself. Very proud. Oh man, it's another hailstorm. There's no way I'm riding my motorbike in this. I also don't fancy walking anywhere in this. So it's Sunday, and in the UK the weather has been really bonkers. Not like crazy storm, wildfire, tornado bonkers, but just weird, like on off, cold, hot, beautiful sunshine, hail for the last I don't know how many weeks really. Months it feels like. But it's dropped temperature especially at the moment, so it's really super cold. Yeah, I don't quite know how I'm going to get to work today really, because there's no bus service until 10. And yeah, that sucks. Okay, now it's so sunny and bright that I need sunglasses. It's crazy. There's a beautiful rainbow just over there. But what that means is that's rain coming my way. Or possibly hail. I've received some very weird looks this morning. I think people might think I'm Antifa or some sort of protester. I'm just cold and it's hailing and it's sunshine. So these are the things I have to wear to not be miserable by the time I get to work. Oh God, do look a bit Mad Max there, don't I, hey? So I had been waiting for the rain to stop in a cafe in Mousel so I could walk the coastway back. But instead, walking the back way back. And as soon as I started walking the back way back, what happens? It stops raining. So, nearly home now. Lots of traffic. Someone died. There's a funeral in Paul. Lots of people heading there. Go and see off their fellow. I'm just heading home. Day off. Good way to start it with cake and coffee and a bit of Alan Watts. Yeah, just home time now. I don't know what I'm going to do. Just house sorting I think because it's very wet. It's not going to dry up enough for me to skate. Music to do. time. It's dry. We're just taking the dogs for a poodle. Come on. Let's go. Come on, come. Let's go. Good boys. Okay, muddy walk is done. Time for... What am I going to do with a pair of pliers today? Can you guess? I'm going to tune this. Yes, it's a lap harp. So yeah, let's see if we can get it in tune. Okay. So the pliers are really hard to turn these square pegs. So I'm gonna get some ratchets. So it turns out they are 4.5mm, and yeah, that fits pretty tight. So this should be easier to do. It's quite an easy thing to tune, as it has all what it should be tuned to here. But if you look carefully, you music buffs, what's that there? There's a H and... see? There's a H and a G is. They're not normal music notes, it's German apparently, so the H is B and the G is G sharp. Here we go. This is the first chord, bar one note, tuned. And we got... lovely, bright sounding chord. What is E, B, G, E? Music buffs, leave it in the comment below. I wonder how it sounds with the pick. I think it would sound nice with a ukulele pick, because I've got some felt ukulele picks. So the first two, sounding lovely. Next one we've got a treble. The D is fine to tune, but the A sharp will not tune. I've tried turning it, and what's happening, if you look here, I've tried tuning it and it was actually screwed so far in with so much coil round it wouldn't tighten any further, and we actually started wearing around the peg, which I don't want to do. So we're going to replace this string, take this off and get a new string on there. And we managed to snap, what did we do? Snap one of them, this one here, the one next to it. So we snapped, no, F sharp, sorry, won't tune, and A sharp wouldn't tune. This F and this A wouldn't tune. I managed to snap, and I managed to snap this one. So we need two new strings here. So here are most of the chords repaired. Still got one missing its bass note, and this one here is still block, so we're not got this one in. So we'll put that in a minute. But listen how beautiful it sounds when it's tuned. You can't really rock out on a lap harp. Doesn't work. Sounds very
What mythical sounds? Oh, mystery.